Camera calibration is required for the first startup. The software supports both digital SLR cameras and industrial cameras. Before calibration, it is suggested to slightly raise the laser head to defocus the laser and thicken the cutting lines for better recognition and comparison. It is recommended to use a white paper sheet of the machine's bed size. Click Calibrate Camera on the main interface. Click Cut Grid. Select Machine Working Area Size by default. Set the speed and power accordingly. Make sure the laser leaves clear marks on the material, but without cutting through it. After processing is done, click Calibrate. The system will acquire the image automatically and enter Calibration Wizard interface. Drag the white nose to make sure all the grids are within the dashed rectangle. Click Extract Corners to update the grid corners. Clearly recognized corners will be highlighted with a red box, and there may also be unrecognized corners. In this case, you can manually adjust them. For corners not located in the cross center, select and use arrow keys to move and align with the center. Double left-click to add unrecognized corners. Select and press Delete to remove extra corners. Click Execute Calibration after modifications. According to the prompt, exit the calibration wizard if the calibration error meets the requirement. Otherwise, further adjustment is required. After calibration, check if the generated grids match the image ones. If they match, calibration is completed. Otherwise, correction is required. When the grid does not align, first perform offset correction. Place a new white paper in the center of the machine table. Click Cut Cross. Move the red cross generated by the system to align with the cut cross. Click Offset Correction to complete correction. When a certain material thickness causes inaccuracies in cutting, use thickness compensation for correction. Take order compensation as an example. Place the material at the edge of the machine table. Draw and cut a simple graphic. Fill in current thickness. The software will automatically calculate and correct errors. Adjust the current thickness accordingly until the lines are overlapped. Additionally, manual compensation is also available. Place the thick material in the center and four corners of the machine table. Fill in material thickness and click Cut Cross. Move the red cross to align with the cut cross. Click Thickness Calibration to complete calibration. After calibration, click Export to export the calibration file. After reinstallation or computer replacement, if the software is under uncalibrated status and the camera position remains the same, just import the calibration file to complete calibration.